trains, automobiles, technology grown, let's keep it real. Planes, trains, automobiles, technology grown, and now we got drones. Drones are a hot commodity, and it's necessary in society. Does it do justice in the community? Cybersecurity wasn't a priority. Drones started in the military, using reconnaissance and spying on their adversaries. Don't you know it has a bird's eye view? Don't you know it can fire from you? Camera attached, ground control needs to be patched, so plan ahead to avoid being hacked. Planes, trains, automobiles, technology grown, let's keep it real. Planes, trains, automobiles, technology grown, and now we got drones. Planes, trains, automobiles, technology grown, let's keep it real. Planes, trains, automobiles, technology grown, and now we got drones. Now check out the drone vulnerabilities inherit from the IoTs. Password default, no password detected. Come on now, you might get affected. Keep your drone safe, so data won't be in a dark place. Do what's necessary to conquer what's yours from the adversaries. Lure them in a honey pot. Study their behavior so they won't get caught. Planes, trains, automobiles, technology grown, let's keep it real. Planes, trains, automobiles, technology grown, and now we got drones. Planes, trains, automobiles, technology grown, let's keep it real. Planes, trains, automobiles, technology grown, and now we got drones. Drones flying in the day or surveillance in the night. Code can be modified no matter what the height. Pay attention to its characteristics. If it change, hackers got in with no shame. Now who's to blame? You need to back it up, scan it, encrypt it down. Control! Another thing we can do, and many don't have a clue. Let's think ahead and think of a method. Blockchain's a thought, but it hasn't been tested. You know the deal. Keep your drone straps to avoid attack. Come on, SMEs, subject matter experts, we got zeal. Planes, trains, automobiles, technology grown, let's keep it real. Planes, trains, automobiles, technology grown, and now we got drones. Planes, trains, automobiles,